Hunter with Vetroresina, and I'm here to go over our product, the Wood Grain Print 1000 FRP full composite flooring versus PVC vinyl flooring common in RV industry. Comparing our two products, we have a great cut and repairability compared to the normal PVC vinyl flooring. As you can see with our product, you can cleanly wipe it down with any solvent-based cleaner. And repair with any clear lacquer or resin, such as a nail polish. Apply the nail polish to any kind of voids and wipe off with a lint-free cloth. And the product is good as new.